Have you noticed that more people are avoiding meat and dairy and are questioning that? Maybe you've noticed all the plant-based options and you're wondering, why do people go vegan? People go vegan to reverse erectile dysfunction, lower estrogens, reverse type 2 diabetes, get rid of acne, stop autoimmune attacks, get rid of constipation, increase testosterone, alleviate back pain, reverse and prevent disease, get off medication, reduce the risk of DNA damage to future offspring, get rid of joint pain, improve the gut microbiome, reduce inflammation, get stronger, boost the immune system, get more fiber, run faster, reduce recovery time from sports activities, gain energy and vitality, improve circulation, live longer, get slim, reduce recovery time, feel better, have thicker hair, improve cognition, reduce pollution, obtain essential nutrients, save money, reduce the chances of food poisoning, and save animals' lives. My most scrumptious, healthy, oil-free, sugar-free vegan recipes are in my book, The High Five Diet, which you can order directly through my website, thehighfivediet.com. If there are no vegan meal options at restaurants near you, demand it. So, join the plant-based vegan revolution. EATPLANTS. Go vegan!